Hello everyone, we are Vaish, Karandeep and Prithvi. For this presentation, we are using a text-to-speech model to share our work with you. As a group, we have developed 3 design tools that can serve as effective alternatives to Photoshop for specific creative workflows. Each tool makes use of custom nodes and streamlined processes to improve productivity while giving designers precise control over their outputs. Tool 1. Aspect Ratio, cropping our first. Tool focuses on changing the aspect ratio of an image. We designed a custom node that allows adjustments in aspect ratio, image size, position along the X and Y axes. This makes it easy to crop and reframe images exactly as required. Let's demonstrate how this tool works in practice. Tool 2. Line Art Conversion. The second tool converts any image into a line art drawing. We created a custom node with parameters such as edge threshold, blur thickness, color options. However, the direct output was not always clean. To improve it, we applied a 3-step process. First, we upscaled the image using the Recraft Crisp upscaler. Then, we trained a context LoRa with before and after image pairs. Finally, we passed the upscaled image through the trained LoRa, which produced a refined and high-quality line art image. Tool 3. Material Palette, Mood Board Extraction. The third tool is designed for extracting materials, colors, and mood boards directly from an image. With this tool, we can manually draw a selection box on the custom node, and it automatically generates a zoomed-in section of the image, a material color palette, a mood board, which can even be restyled based on preference. This makes it a highly useful tool for quickly building inspiration boards and design references. That concludes our demonstration of the 3 custom design tools. Thank you for watching our presentation.